If you were in a car accident and you're still being treated 3 months later, that usually tells me one important thing. This was not a minor injury. In this video, I want to talk you through what it really means if you're still in treatment 3 months after an accident. Question 1. Is it normal to be in treatment 3 months after an accident? Yes, it can be. It may mean your doctors are still trying to understand the full extent of your injuries, how your body is responding to treatment, and whether you may need additional care in the future. This matters because your attorney should not be rushing to make a settlement demand while your medical picture is still changing. Question 2. Why shouldn't I settle while I'm still treating? This is one of the biggest mistakes I see people make. Once you settle your personal injury case, the case is over. You generally do not get to come back and ask for more money because your pain got worse, your doctor recommended additional medical treatment, or you realize your injuries were more severe than you thought. Your attorney may need to wait until doctors have a clearer understanding of your prognosis. In many cases, that means waiting until you reach what is often called maximum medical improvement, or MMI. Question 3. Can an insurance company use long-term treatment against me? Unfortunately, yes. They may try. Insurance companies often look for any reason to reduce the value of personal injury claims. The problem usually comes when there are large gaps in treatment or unclear records. If you stop going to appointments for several weeks and then start again later, the insurance company may argue that your injuries were not that serious, or that something else caused your pain. If something interrupts your treatment, tell your attorney immediately so it can be addressed properly. Question number 4. What should I do while I'm still in treatment? The most important thing that you can do is focus on getting better. You should not treat because you think it helps your case. You should treat because your body needs care and because your doctors believe that care is medically necessary. At the same time, you want to keep good records. If you are missing work because of your injuries, keep track of that too. I also recommend keeping a journal. Question 5. What's Florida 14-day PIP rule? Personal injury protection, commonly called PIP, generally requires you to receive initial medical care within 14 days of the crash to qualify for certain benefits. That means if someone is injured in a Florida car accident and waits too long to see a doctor, they may create problems with their PIP coverage. Question 6. Does being in treatment pause my legal deadline? In Florida, many personal injury cases have a 2-year statute of limitations. That means you generally have 2 years from the date of the accident to file a personal injury lawsuit. That is why your attorney needs to be watching both sides of the case at the same time. Question 7. When is the right time to send a settlement demand? The right time depends on the facts of your case. In many personal injury cases, your attorney will wait until there's enough medical information to understand the full value of your claim. That means waiting until you've completed treatment, reached maximum medical improvement, or received a clear recommendation about future care. If this sounds like your situation, your next step should be to speak to a personal injury attorney who can review the case, explain where you stand, and help you understand whether now is the right time to move forward or continue building your claim. If you have been injured in Miami, South Florida, or anywhere in Florida, we'd be happy to answer your questions. Click the link in the description below to schedule a free consultation, and we'll walk you through the options so that you can make the best decision for your case.